Once we have completed your website and added all of your branding and you've approved it, we will have transferred the ownership of the website over to you. In order for you to share the website with the world, connect your domain, everything like that, you will need to upgrade to a paid Squarespace plan. And that's going to be the business plan on Squarespace. And that will allow you to connect your domain, share the website without a password, and really get it out there online and so that Google can begin to recognize it and start ranking it for SEO. So to do that, you'll log into your website and you'll head over to settings. Once you get to settings, click billing and click subscriptions. And you'll see you do not have any active subscriptions unless you've already paid for your site, but typically you won't have any active subscriptions, just the trial subscription here. So click website and you'll want to click subscribe. It's going to hop you over to this payment plan page. For the Embark sites, it will just be the business plan. You don't need commerce features. If you do later, you can always add that. The personal will not work because it will not allow you to have any of the customizations or anything that we currently have down here. So you'll select the business plan. You can pay annually, you can pay monthly. Annually saves you quite a bit of money. You'll confirm your selection. You will get our Circle member discount. So that's a benefit to you. That will be 20% off your annual plan. That will automatically populate. If it doesn't, you can let us know and we can help you there, but it should automatically populate. You'll put in your address, you'll save and continue, and you'll click pay. Once you do that, you'll get an email saying that you've paid, your subscription has started, and you'll be able to connect your domain, which we'll show you in the next video.